Hi everyone. So my phone calculator gave me the answer 1 over 4, and that is wrong. Let me show you how to solve this math problem correctly. The first thing you need to do is to turn these mixed numbers into improper fractions. So let's go ahead and do that. So you multiply 2 times 2 like this equals 4 plus 1, right? Plus 1 is 5. So 5 goes on top of the fraction bar and 2 goes at the bottom, just like that. 5 over 2. Notice that the other numbers or the other mixed numbers are the same as the first one. So we just, for fun, let's just do that. Let's just get the improper fraction by multiplying and adding. So 2 times 2 plus 1 is 5 over 2, and 2 times 2 is 4 plus 1 is 5 over 2. Now we have 5 over 2 plus 5 over 2 divided by 5 over 2. Next thing, looking at PEMDAS, we divide, not subtract. So we're going to divide first. We don't add. We divide according to PEMDAS. So we're looking at 5 over 2 divided by 5 over 2. And we're going to use this rule called keep, change, and flip. So we're going to keep the first part, change division to multiplication, and then flip this fraction. So the 2 will go on top and the 5 will go at the bottom. So let me write that down. So 5 over 2 is the keep. Here's the change. And here is the flip. And we multiply across. So 5 times 2 is 10 over 2 times 5 is 10. And 10 divided by 10 equals 1. And let's turn the 1 into a fraction to make the math fun and easy. And let's bring that over here. Let's actually bring down the 5 over 2 over here for space. 5 over 2 plus, we're bringing that down, that 1 over 1. And notice that the denominators are different. So we're going to use the butterfly method. So I'm going to draw the first wing. So 5 times 1 equals 5. So let me go ahead and draw the antenna and write the 5 here. Next, draw the second wing. So 2 times 1, like that, is 2. So let me draw the other antenna and write the 2 there. And then draw the body. So 2 times 1 is 2. All right, so the 2 goes here below the fraction bar. That is the denominator. And then we add 5 plus 2 equals 7. Now, we cannot break this down to its simplest form. That is it. And don't leave yet. We're going to get a mixed number answer and a decimal answer for this math problem. So right now we got the first answer, 7 over 2. So that is the first answer as an improper fraction. Let's get a mixed number and then a decimal answer using long division. And I did run out of space, but we can work around that. So the 7 is the dividend that goes inside the long division symbol, and the 2 is the divisor that goes outside the long division symbol. And so how many times can 2 fit into 7? 3 times. And 3 times 2 is 6. And we subtract. 7 minus 6 is 1. So now we have our second answer, our mixed number answer is 3. That is the whole number. And then the proper fraction, the 1 will be the top number of the proper fraction, and the 2 will be the bottom part of the fraction. So the answer in a mixed number form is 3, 1 over 2. Let's get our decimal answer. I know it's 3.5, but let's just finish the long division for fun. So how many times can 2 fit into 1? You cannot, so we add a decimal after the 7 and after the 3. The 1 needs to borrow 0, so bring down the 0, give it to 1. Now the 1 becomes 10. How many times can 2 fit into 10? 5 times. 5 times 2 is 10. and 10 minus 10 equals 0. So there you go. You got 3.5 as your third answer. Look at that. Super easy. You all can do this. Now, if you have not subscribed to the channel, please subscribe to the channel. Please subscribe to join the smartest community on YouTube. And thank you so much for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one.